Got a 4-inch coming to the home with a test ball in it. There's 5-foot head of pressure on it. Go up here to the first fitting. Rolled up for the kitchen. Nothing can be in the wall because it's going to be solid concrete, so we're going to stuff everything up into the cabinets. So we go back to the main trunk line. 4 to 3. So 4-inch all the way up to this 4x3 wide. Goes to the guest bathroom. And then comes around to here. Dust that off. To the master bath toilet. Loops around, goes to the shower. Comes back around for venting. Back to the master bath double vanity.